reproductive system. Next one is uterus. What about the uterus? Uterus, it is also called womb. Student. Next, it is appeared as inverted, pear-shaped structure. Single, inverted. Uterus is single, inverted, pear-shaped structure, and present in pelvis. Student, present in pelvis region. Okay. Pelvis means that is the region between the legs and the abdomen. Okay. It is the uterus present at the region of the pelvis. Student. Next, uterus, it is present between the lower abdomen. It is present between the bladder and the rectum. Bladder means urinary bladder. Rectum, it is the last part of the alimentary canal. Rectum open to the outside by the anus. Okay. Uterus present between bladder and the rectum. Student, it is the uterus. It is the part is called uterus. Next, another mesometrium. What about the mesometrium? Student, uterus connected to the abdominal wall. It is the entire part of the uterus connected to the abdominal wall by the help of the peritoneal fold. Peritoneum, it is originated from the mesoderm of the embryonic system. Okay. Peritoneal fold, by the help of the peritoneal fold, entire part of the uterus is attached to the abdominal wall. Student, that is called mesometrium. Mesometrium. Student, if you observe differentiates between the mesovarium, mesosalpinx and mesometrium. Okay, student. Next, cervix. Student, it is the part. It is the region entire. This is the part. This is the part is called cervix. Okay, lower narrow part of the uterus. Student, it is the entire. This is the uterus. It is the lower part of the uterus and a narrow part of the uterus, that is called cervix. Okay, and open into vagina. Open into vagina, student. It is the region is called vagina. Okay, cervix, it is the neck-like part of the uterus and open into vagina, student. Next, birth canal. What about the birth canal? Birth canal, cavity of the cervix. It is the cavity. Student, it is the cavity. It is the cavity of the cervix. Okay, called birth canal. It is the cavity of the cervix. Entire, this is the part is called cervix. And cavity present in the cervix, that is called birth canal. Okay, and cervical canal along with the vagina, it is formed by union of the cervical canal. It is the cervical canal along with the vagina. Okay, student, that forms the birth canal. Next, perimetrium. What about the perimetrium, student? Perimetrium, entire, if you observe the wall of the uterus, that consists of 3 layers. Perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium, student. Perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. Perimetrium. It is the mesometrium, student, if you observe. Perimetrium, external thin membrane of the uterus. Student, it is the external thin membrane of the uterus, that is called perimetrium. Next, myometrium, middle thick smooth muscle of the uterus. Middle thick smooth muscle present in the middle layer, that is called myometrium. Okay, smooth muscle present in the myometrium of the uterus shows contraction at the time of the maturation. Student, delivery of the baby. At the time of the delivery of the baby, myometrium of the uterus that shows the contraction. Okay, that leads to maturation, delivery of the baby. Maturation means delivery of the baby. Now, endometrium, inner glandular lining layer of the uterus. Student, it is the endometrium. It is the endometrium of the uterus. Okay, it is the inner glandular layer of the uterus. It undergoes cyclic changes in each of the menstrual cycle. Student, endometrium of the uterus that goes cyclic changes in each of the menstrual cycle. What about the menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle, that means cyclic natural changes that occurs in the female reproductive system, in part of the female reproductive system, that is called menstrual cycle. Okay, in each of the, what are the changes that occurs in the female reproductive system in each of the menstrual cycle? Student, menstrual cycle that makes the possibility of the pregnancy, and in each of the menstrual cycle that releases oocyte. Okay, and it is also prepares in each of the menstrual cycle that also prepare the uterus for the pregnancy. Okay, it is the preparation, menstrual cycle, it is the preparation for the pregnancy. Student, next, vagina. What about vagina? Large median fibromuscular tube. Student, okay, it is the region is called vagina. It is the region is called vagina. Okay, and starts from cervix to vestibule. Student, already you know about the cervix. It is the neck part of the uterus, the largest uterus, that is called cervix. Okay, vagina, it is starts from cervix to the vestibule. What about the vestibule, student? Vestibule, it is the location in the female reproductive system between the labia minora to the urethral orifice of the urethra and vaginal orifice of the vagina. Student, it is about the vestibule. Next, lined with vagina lined with non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Vagina lines with non-keratinized. Keratin is absent on the upper surface of the tissue cell layer. Okay, and stratified, that one is the tissue is with much cell layers. Stratified squamous epithelium and open into vestibule by vaginal orifice. Okay, student, it is the vagina open into vestibule by the vaginal orifice. Next, vulva. It is also called pudendum. It is external genitalia. Student, vulva that consists mons pubis and labia majora, labia minora, and urethral orifice, vaginal orifice, and the vagina. Okay, both parts collectively called vulva. It is considered as external genitalia, like scrotum and the penis of the male reproductive system. Vulva, that is considered as external genitalia. Next, vestibule has two apertures. Student, vestibule that consists two apertures. One is upper urethral orifice. Orifice means aperture. Urethra opens into the outside. Urinary bladder opens into urethra. Urethra opens to outside by the help of the urethral orifice. Orifice means aperture. Upper urethral orifice and lower vaginal orifice. Lower vaginal orifice, student. Okay, and the vestibule bound by two pairs of fleshy fold tissue. Vestibule, that is the region, it is bound with, okay, bound by two pairs of the fleshy fold tissue. One is labia minora, inner. Labia minora is inner fleshy fold tissue, and larger labia majora, it is outer. Labia majora is the outer fold tissue, and another inner fold tissue, that is called labia minora. Inner one, outer one. Next, what about the clitoris, student? Clitoris is the sensitive erectile structure, okay, and present at the upper junction of the two labia minora. Present at upper junction of two labia minora. Student, above the urethral opening, it is the clitoris, sensitive erectile structure, okay, and it is homologous to the male's penis. Penis of the male reproductive system, okay, and it is locates above the urethral orifice, student. Clitoris locates above the urethral orifice.